Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add invisible person effect for your video in CapCut. So select your video and go to effect, select dark effect and you can find invisible person here. Just drag and adjust for the duration until I finish the video, and you can adjust for this option so you can see the result like so. Wow, it's amazing. So you can try this effect on your video. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.